We're at the Rockwell Inn in Jackson, Wyoming. Here's the elevator. It's a ThyssenKrupp Aurora. As you can see, there's actually several different buildings here. There's actually like 4 buildings at this place. And as you can tell by the room numbering, we're in building 3 of 4, I think. There's 3 other buildings at this hotel. This one does not have exterior corridors, unlike a couple of the other ones. But this hallway is really nice and freshly renovated. But with that said, tonight we are taking a tour of room 3205. So let's take a look, go around. Let's get some lights going in here. So we're gonna start out with the evacuation map. There's the building that we're in, Wyoming Laws and Hotels. In the security department, we have the latch, which I appreciate, the deadbolt, oh, okay, this doubles as a housekeeping and do not disturb tag, I guess. All right then. So this is just part 1 of this room. This essentially feels like a suite. But yeah, we got a lot to cover here. So starting off, we have this nightstand with a lamp, with a TV remote for this TV. And then we have the hotel phone. This covers the ceiling fan in here. We got a giant sofa right here. So that's very nice. Got the trash can over here. We have a desk, decently sized, I'd say. No rolly chair, unfortunately. But you do get this giant power block with a whole ton of outlets and a bunch of USB outlets. Like, that's super convenient. Lamp. Over here, we have the ice bin, 4 water glasses. Down here, little storage, I guess. And this actually comes with a full-on kitchenette, which I was not expecting. It looks like there's a light. Yeah, we can turn that on. But let's look at what we got here. We got a good stock of plates, bowls, small plates, pan, pots. Like, they got it all. Smaller plates and smaller serving dishes. Plenty of glasses and wine glasses. We got the kitchen sink. Water pressure's good. We got Keurig and coffee making stuff. And we got plenty of sugar. Only 2 coffee cups though. We got a stove. Only 2 of them though. Got a cutting board and some paper towels as well. We got a mini fridge down here. Pretty adequately sized, I'd say. A good amount of silverware and a bread knife, I guess. Spatulas, spoons, can opener. And, oh, there's a toaster in here as well, and some other plastic bowls. Down here, another trash can, paper towels, dish soap, and a sponge. Like, they seem to have this place pretty well stocked, and I didn't expect that this came with a kitchenette. And the doors just close like this, so that's very nice. Again, we have the LG flat screen TV right here. My camera's not focusing for some reason. Okay, I don't know what's going on. There we go. Now we'll come in here. We have very nice mirror with plenty of towels and washcloths. We got hair wash and hand wash as well. Makeup mirror, I don't know if this lights up. Oh, it does. That's nice. Then we got the sink. Water pressure's good. We got trash and recycling down here. Come in here, get a look at the rest of the bathroom. Oh, it has heated tiles in the bathroom. That's sick. All right, then. We got a good stock of toilet paper over here, another trash can. Here's the commode. Up here we have body wash, shampoo, and moisturizer, I guess. Another mirror. Little light fixture up there. We got shower towels and more of them over here as well. Here's the shower itself. It's got a rainfall nozzle, so I'm definitely pleased with that. We got soap holder right here, I guess. I guess this is an 88 room as well. There's the floor towel. Oh, that's in the way. Yeah, all around a really nice looking bathroom. And freshly renovated as well. In here, we have a closet, which comes with an ironing board and the iron. A good amount of hangers. Also has a hairdryer and a laundry bag. Extra bedding up here, extra blankets it looks like. And then there's an in-wall safe, which I've never seen that before. And the blue color actually looks really nice. Pretty big as well. Then we got a luggage rack also. And okay, I guess that controls the light in there. But now we have the rest of the room with the beds. We have a 2 queen, as you can see. Very freshly renovated, I will say that. I guess this is a connecting room, which it's already locked. So we have a global view TV, a little outdated. Would have hoped they'd replace that, but hey, I guess it'll do. Here is the information card with the Wi-Fi and stuff. I got this pen from the front desk. We have a good sized dresser to put stuff in. Got a chair over here. The AC unit, I'm pretty sure it's controlled by the thermostat. Oh, actually, it's straight up turned off, it looks like. We'll get a look outside. I mean, you get some of the hills in the background, but otherwise, the mountains aren't really visible. Are these blackout curtains? I think they... Yes, these are blackout curtains, so that's a plus. We'll come over here. Oh, I forgot to mention, controls for the light and the fan, and then the thermostat. For some reason, they have the heat turned on. I don't know why. Because it's like almost 80 degrees outside right now. Come over to the nightstand. How are these controlled? There we go. Got a good amount of outlets over here, especially on this alarm clock. There's the TV remote, another hotel phone as well. The Holy Bible is in here, and the TV channel list, it looks like. Nothing down there. And on the bed, greeted by Roxy the Wolf. Pause to read if you want to read that. Cute touch. But now I'm going to take my shoes off and move Roxy, unfortunately, because I'm going to test out this bed. Because my companion is on this bed. Good as new. Now about the bed. Mattress is pretty comfy. This pillow is nice and soft. Hopefully I can get a good night's sleep on it. We got 4 pillows. They're not very big though. But otherwise I don't see any like marks on them. I don't see anything on the comforter either. So off to a good start in terms of cleanliness. And I just messed that up, so I'll flip it over. There, I guess that'll do for now. But yeah, there. Got the beds. I think I've shown just about everything this room has to offer. Like, I'm impressed by the size. Like, this is a huge room for how small this hotel seems. But yeah, I think I've covered just about everything in this room, and I didn't have very high expectations coming into this room, but all around first impressions, I actually really like it. It seems like this place got freshly renovated recently, and I think they did a pretty good job with it. But yeah, so far, no complaints about this room. So I think that's going to go ahead and wrap this up. So if you find yourself in Jackson looking for a affordable, or I don't know if I'd say affordable, Jackson's probably a pretty expensive town. But if you're looking for a decent hotel, this place seems to hit all the marks. So yeah, I don't know if I got much more to show. So thank you all for watching. Hopefully this is helpful if you find yourself in Jackson. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's free. You can always change your mind later. But with that said, I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye, y'all.